Alright, this is what I'm dealing with right now. I have to get that all welded up so that she is, well, all metal. So, I got my clamp on already onto some nice bare metal. And yeah, I got some neat welding to do. And the welder I'm using is my Mastercraft, of course. Mastercraft. It's a pretty good one. It's MIG and flux core wire feed welder. I have no gas right now, so I'm going to do flux core and see how well that works. I'm hoping it works fine, but yeah, I'll be doing on min number 2 on this one. So, and there's that welding helmet from Mastercraft. I did the other side of the vehicle already, and it did very well. So let me see how well I can get this done, this side. Looks like it'd be a pretty easy job as soon as I get going. Well, at least I hope it will. So I got that piece cut there, ready to go in. And all I have to do is tack it in right now, and then I'll weld it in nice and tight. So let me get the helmet on here. This helmet makes me a much better looking person, I must say. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I'm funny. I'm tired. I'm so tired right now. Did so much this morning, and now I gotta do this. I don't wear gloves. I used to, but I don't now. Let's get tacking. First tack in. So far so good. Let's try one at the bottom. Try one at the bottom. Oopsie. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Cool down there, cool down. I get her too hot. I have to drop her down there a bit to number 1. What the heck was that? Something fell. Oh, don't care. Oh, come on. Flux core is kind of annoying, I must say. I'm burning through. Yeah, even with number 1, min. Okay, I'll have to get back to this. Well, just a quick look on how I'm doing here. She's looking pretty good. Still got some to do here. Underneath, yeah, she's all welded in. Sad that we have to do this in Canada. Oh, I guess rockers are needed. So they're there to hold up the plastic coverings for the vehicle, because I got all these little notches here that I can put the plastic covers back on. But I think I've done a pretty good job so far. I'll have to tidy it up a bit. Well, I'll get this piece in now, and we'll see how good it looks after that. Well, there we go, all welded in. Well, it may not look pretty, but it's definitely done. Now all I gotta do is, well, get out the grinder, grind off some of these terrible welds. Yes, I know. I'm not the best welder, but I do what I can with flux core. That's all I have right now. Terrible. Wish I had better. But I think it looks okay. It's going to be covered up by a plastic cover anyway, so I don't worry about it too much. And yeah, I think it looks okay. I'm going to clean her up a bit, and then we'll take some more looks at it. All right, I am done now. Hey, it looks pretty good, actually. I got her all sealed in. I put on some sealant on that side just to make sure the water doesn't get through some of the welds. You know, not the best welds, but she is all sealed up, and she doesn't look too bad. I think I did a good job. and I just don't want the water to get back in and wreck. So putting on this, what is this? Sealant. It's a joint sealant that I put on. So just to make sure, I don't really care about up here, but I'm going to give her a shot now of primer. And then I have some really good brown rust paint to paint on. That stuff is amazing. Nothing ever rusts when you put this paint on. I'll have to show you what it is. So this is the primer I'm using to paint on this. So it's the Rondex High Build Primer. Very good primer. I've actually had no trouble with it. So it does seal pretty good. And this is the rust paint. Rust proof anyway. Spray paint. This stuff actually works good on these metal surfaces. I don't think I've had much that's ever rusted after I paint that on. So that stuff does seal it really well, and that's what I'm going to do to this one. Alright, I think that's going to be it because I got to wait for the sealant to dry. And then I'm going to give her a couple of shots of primer, and then I'm going to give her a couple of shots of the rust proof anyway. And yeah, that'll be it. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll bring you more like this in the future.